Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about two important AI tools related with our prompt generation. So whenever you are using your chatbot, it is important to get a better prompt. So according to the prompt only, we will get desired results for our research paper writing. So in order to do so, there are many prompt that is generating tools are available in market. So among them, we are going to discuss about two important prompts which are that is prompt generating tools which are inbuilt prompts, and also you can generate better prompts in them. So let us go on to today's video and explore that prompt library tools. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI toolbox. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing. And also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of it using our research prompts. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. These are the important topics to be covered in this workshop. So here we are going to design LNC parameter for buck and boost converter. We are going to make an open loop simulation with that converter, and then we are going to design a PID control to make that open loop into closed loop simulation. And we are going to analyze how you can tune PID controller to get desired result for our application. So these are the first session we are going to discuss. So next one is how renewable energy generation can be incorporated with this converters, because whenever you are generating power from renewable energy, so in order to stabilize that power generated from that renewable energy sources, we need converters. So how to do with this converters, that is the types of converters, how to connect that converters into renewable energy. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this session 2. Next is session 3, discuss with that EV charging station with DC to DC power converters, how this power converters can be employed in EV charging station, how it is very important in EV charging station design. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the first tool what we are going to discuss is that Promptpal. So here you will be having a search engine. So in this you can discover the best AI prompts. So here you can search whatever you want. So for example, I am going to search for research. So here you can see that. So research report, research proposal, research paper, user research, market research. So like that, different categories are available. So I am going to click that is research paper. So here you can see that. So these are the different research paper related topics, that is prompts are available. So here you can see, write an introduction for a research paper, write a research paper on topic. So write an informative white paper. So first I am going to open this, write introduction for a research paper. So here you can see that the prompt will be available. So here you can see, as a researcher, I understand the importance of an engaging introduction in a research paper. I am working in research paper. So like that you can make use of this. But if you want to use, you have to go for Unlock Pro prompt. So just you have to pay that for subscription option. So this is what you can do. So next here you will be having different types of tool, that is called ChatGPT prompts. So different categories. So here you can see that ChatGPT, Google Bot, Bing, Solar AI, Gemini Pro, Mistral AI, Llama, Perplexity. So whatever the prompts you want, you can access using this tool. So like that you can use this that is Promptpal as a search engine to search your prompts. So but only thing is that you cannot get it for free. So for free there are different prompts are available. So click on ChatGPT. So in this you will be having different categories are available. So here you can see that. So these are the different categories of prompts available. For example, formulate content marketing strategy. So just click on this. So everything you need to go for, that is you have to unlock this to use that particular prompts. So as far as research paper writing is concerned, so you will be having 3 different prompts, that is introduction part, write a research paper, and then write an informative white paper. So these are the research paper related prompts. So next what you can do is you can go for another search. So in research paper, I'm going to give it as a research report. So click on research report. So for that also this same will be generated, introduction, research paper, research topic, etc. So research paper on a topic or informative white paper on a topic. So like that only it will generate. So here for ChatGPT it is 3, for Google bot so it is 1, so for Bing it is 1. So like that for every chat bot, so you will be having different types of prompts. For example, I am going to give Perplexity, so powered by Copilot. So I am going to just click on this Perplexity. So for this you can use this prompt for Perplexity. So like that, whatever the chatbot you are going to use to generate content, there are different prompts are available for that each chatbot you are using. So most probably the chatbot we have discussed only can be used to generate content. So starting from ChatGPT, Gemini Pro, Cloud to LLAMA, next Perplexity, these are the different chatbots available. So like that you can use this Promptpal as a search engine. So here the important option available in this, that Promptpal, you can sell also. So you can create your own prompt and you can sell here also, take it by taking it as a platform. So you can sell prompts to some other also. So like that you can make use of this option to get a better prompt out of it. So only thing is that you have to go for this subscription option. So log in with your mail ID. So if you are struggling to make your own prompts, so you can use this Promptpal. So this is all about this Promptpal. So another important tool what we are going to discuss today is that Vidura AI. So it is also an AI tool which is having inbuilt prompts for that is content generation. So these are the different categories in this particular AI tool, starting from coding, stable diffusion, education, work, growth, miscellaneous, jailbreak, writing, business, how to, entertainment, music theory, marketing, photography, etc. So for education I am going to give education. So here you can see that. So for that education prompt, these are the different prompts are available. So here you can see that these are the different prompts related with education. So here you can see math teacher. So I want to act as a math teacher. I will provide some mathematical equations or concepts and I will be your job to explain them in easy to that is understand terms. This could include providing step-by-step instruction for solving the problems. So like that it will generate prompt for you, that is inbuilt prompts are as already available in this Vidura AI. So next you can see that English translation. So I want to act as a English translator and spelling corrector. And improver, I will speak to you in any language. You will detect the language, translate it and answer it corrected and improved version of my text in English. So if you want to view full prompt, just click on view full prompt. You can see the full prompt for free. So like that you can make use of this Vidura AI to generate a better prompt for your chatbot. So this is all about this that is for education. So next you can see for writing, just click on this writing. So here you can see that so write a concise one paragraph summary of key concepts, context and implications of topic. Next here you can see that you are a great fictional writer with the ability to create relatable characters that readers can connect with an emotional level, while also weaving together a compelling storyline that keeps reading and engaged. So like that you will be having different prompts for writing also. So here you can see that plagiarism checker. So you can check plagiarism using chatbot itself also using that prompt. So these are the different prompts, inbuilt prompts already available in this particular Vidura AI tool. So you can make use of this. So there are many prompts are available, just go on and explore. So apart from this you will be having coding, stable diffusion, work, growth, etc. So for example I am going to give it as a growth. So here you can see that these are the different options available for growth, that is counter culture, how to be successful, prompt for any job seekers, positive psychology research. So like that these are the different prompts are available to generate a better content out of it for our research paper writing. So you can use that education option, and here you can use that writing option to generate a better content for your research paper writing using this Vidura AI. So apart from this education, work, growth, etc., you will be having different things called entertainment, music, theory, marketing, photography, how to, miscellaneous, next coding, work, education, etc. So this is all about this Vidura AI. This you can access this prompt for free. So make use of this option, that is in Vidura. Go to Vidura and check it out. So how this prompts works out for you. So you can get full prompts by just clicking that full prompt option also. So make use of this prompt to generate better content for your research paper writing. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.